on-time flight. Last year, over 90% of Ryanair flights landed on time, beating every other European airline. Ryanair, for the lowest fares and the best on-time record.
And ladies and gentlemen, Ryanair would like to welcome you to London Stansted with a bit of a bump where the local time is approaching 5 minutes past 4. We ask you to remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until our captain has pushed off the button seatbelt sign. For removing your luggage from overhead lockers, please take extra caution. Items may fall out, causing injury to yourself and those passengers around you. Smokers aboard, we ask you to remove the smoking to your designated smoking area here in Stansted, signed outside the terminal building. We ask that all electrical equipment, including your mobile phones, remain switched off until you've reached the terminal just the other side of the check-in gate. But for local hotel accommodation, our new routes, membership in, priority boarding, and with services and policies, please go to Ryanair.com. On behalf of Captain David today, Assistant First Officer Adam, myself, Mike, Ashley, Ingrid, and Glenn, it's been a pleasure flying yourself today. For those returning home or welcome home, as it's a local area, I'm sure we're going to have a pleasant day. So on behalf of Ryanair, Europe's biggest international carrier, and your crew, once again, thank you and goodbye.